Hey guys, hope you can hear me. I just started running my dishwasher and I realized that that was pretty stupid of me. But I wanted to share with y'all real quick how I make deviled eggs. I know people make them all kinds of different ways. But I boiled the eggs last night, so those are all done. And this morning I peeled them. Everyone knows how to peel an egg. I don't need to show that. So what I've been doing is cutting them. You see these, I did a really bad job of peeling these eggs. So I'm, cutting them in half, getting out the yolk, putting them in this little bowl. And then keep going till we finish this up. I'm clearly not a super skilled person that should have a cooking channel. I'm about as basic as you can get when it comes to cooking. It's just, this kitchen is so small, so it's hard to do things that I would like to do. So yeah. But anyways, we like doing deviled eggs because they are A, yummy, B, it's a really good high protein snack or appetizer or whatever, or to have before dinner. So that's always nice. Kind of fill up on the good protein. If you're on a keto diet, this would probably be pretty good, because the mayonnaise per serving, per tablespoon, only has 3 grams of carbs, so that's not bad. Mustard has none. I actually checked that last night. So yeah. Now, one of the things I like to use the cayenne, because I like a little bit of spice. Plus, it is fantastic for your metabolism. And I like to add a little bit of garlic powder. Also, I am not sponsored by any of these brands. It's just what I have in my kitchen. Just need to throw that out there. So to start off, I usually will do just maybe 2 spoons of I use, basically this is like the Kroger version of, what is it? The whipped mayonnaise. I'm a poor girl, so I get the store brand. I don't like using regular mayonnaise. I don't know why. Something about the flavor getting off. So we're just gonna mash this down, get it into, and I hate this word, a creamy consistency. Ugh. Those are 2 words I hate. Creamy and moist. What do you guys think? Because I'm not a fan. So this is not as creamy as, so I am going to add some more mayo. Taste test. And I might add, see, this is getting more of the consistency I'm looking for. I like using a fork for this part to kind of break down the yolks, like mashing potatoes, but egg yolks. Let's do a little bit more of the mustard. Get it in there real good like. If y'all have different ways of making, this is kind of like my quick way of making hard-boiled eggs. But if y'all have special ways that y'all make them, I would love to hear about it. And just leave a message in the comment section. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. This is the Himalayan pink salt. Comes in a grinder. I really like this salt. So we're going to mix that in. And I'm feeling pretty good about this now. Let's see. Yeah, let's do this. Let me rinse off this spoon. We are going to need the spoon to fill the eggs. Or I guess a fork, I guess. I guess it doesn't matter. Alright. Spoon done. So actually, you know what? We don't need a spoon. We'll get this. Can get it in there just fine. So, and we'll fill the eggs. This is, I'm not having these for a party, so I'm not worried about cleaning off the edges of this. So these are going to look a little messy, but that's okay. This isn't a restaurant. Again, I'm so sorry for all these background noises. My loud dishwasher. But yeah, so you pretty much get the gist. This is how I make deviled eggs, and I'll top them off with some paprika for just a little, but this is it. Simple and easy. Good snack for the kids when they come home. Good source of protein, like I mentioned. So yeah, if you have any questions or want to share, like I said, your recipes for making deviled eggs, leave a comment below.